In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort products in Shopify. Organizing your products in a clear and intentional way can make a big difference to how customers browse your store and what they end up buying. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to control the order of products inside a collection, using both Shopify's built-in sorting options and a manual drag and drop method. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu. Find the section labeled Products and click it. When you do that, a few more options will appear underneath. From those options, click on Collections. This page shows all the collections you've created in your store. Now, choose the specific collection whose products you want to sort and click its name to open the collection editor. Inside the collection editor, scroll down until you see the Products section, sometimes displayed as a card or box listing the items that belong to this collection. At the top of that product list, you'll see a drop-down that starts with the word Sort, followed by the current sorting method. Click on this drop-down to reveal your sorting options. Shopify gives you several automatic ways to sort: by best-selling, product title from A to Z or from Z to A, highest price, lowest price, newest, and oldest. Each of these options rearranges the list based on live store data. For example, choosing best selling will move your top performers to the top of the collection, which is great for highlighting what's already popular. Sorting by title is useful for a more catalog style layout, and sorting by price can help customers quickly see budget-friendly or premium items first. When you click any of these options, Shopify will reload the list and you'll see your products automatically rearranged according to the method you chose. If you want complete control over the order, you can also sort products manually. Go back to the same sort dropdown, and this time look all the way to the bottom of the list for the manually option. Click that. The product list will load again, but now you'll notice a set of vertical dots or a handle on the left side of each product row. When you hover over those dots, your cursor will change, and you can click and drag each product up or down to rearrange it into the exact order you want. This is perfect for featuring seasonal items, new launches, or products you especially want customers to notice first. As you drag the products into place, Shopify saves these changes automatically. There's no extra save button you need to press for the sorting to take effect. Once you're satisfied with the order, your collection is ready, and customers will see the new arrangement live on your storefront.